Hi crafty friends, this is the Magnolia Design Co. May 2024 Craft Club box. This month we're going to be working with coasters. You will receive our lemon quads, coal black, and daffodil chalk paste, a mini squeegee, and a set of our coasters. Start by cutting your stencils apart, 4 different ones for 4 different coasters. The top portion of the coaster is a wooden surface painted, and the bottom part is a cork surface. Remove your stencil from its backer sheet and fuzz just a few times. After you fuzz your stencil, you're going to place the stencil onto the coasters, smoothing out any bubbles along the way. Our next step is to knead our daffodil and coal black sample chalk paste packets and open them. Using the mini squeegee, spread the chalk paste onto the coasters, making your design everything that you would like it to be. After the design is completely covered, gently remove the stencil from the coaster and repeat these steps for the remaining 3 different designs with the coasters. This month's project is just the cutest. Watch and follow along as we complete the rest of the project. Here we're taking a quick moment to dry the coasters so we can demonstrate how to properly secure the coasters from the front to the back. On the corkboard side, you're going to simply peel off the white sheet, leaving it very sticky, and simply place the design coaster to the front. We will now repeat these steps for the remaining coasters. We just think these coasters are absolutely adorable. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Happy crafting from all of us here at Magnolia Design Co.